At some point, you might make training videos or join a meeting where you want to share something that's actually on your phone. So today we're going to talk about how to mirror or cast your phone screen to your laptop. Let's get right into it. If you're new here, my name is Liz and I help coaches and consultants add video to their business. Make sure you subscribe so that you never miss any of my future content. Now, why would you ever want to share what is happening on your phone to the larger screen on your laptop? Now, there's a couple different reasons you might want to do this. You might be in a Zoom meeting one day where you want to walk somebody through a software that is on your phone. So it's really hard to just talk to people on Zoom and tell them, oh, next time you get on your phone, be sure to click here and click there. It's really hard for people to follow that. Or if you're creating an online course video and you want to actually do a tutorial or a demonstration of how to use an app that's on your phone, that's another time when you might want to do this. Now, for me as a video coach, I often like to show my students how to use some of the apps that I have on my phone, how to actually edit a video on there and where to click and what to open. It's really hard just to say that to somebody or to type it out on text. Instead of that, what you can do is you can just connect your phone to the computer in a way that the audience who is watching the bigger screen actually sees everything that's happening on your phone. So let's jump onto my computer so that I can show you how to do this. Now, we're interrupting this video so that I can remind you to subscribe. I think you should do that first. And if you're looking for a free resource so that you can get started with adding video to your business, be sure to look for it in the description below. Just click on the link and I will send that off to you right away. Now let's get back to our video. Now, the easiest way to do this is actually within a Zoom meeting. Now, it's one of the most common usages as well, because you might be in a Zoom meeting with some folks, like doing a coaching call, for example, or a live webinar, and then you want to demonstrate something from your phone. So that's one way you can do it. Or you can simply just have a Zoom meeting with yourself where you're just sharing your screen and you've got your video on like this, and then just record that. That way you can use that recording and do further edits with it or upload it as part of your course materials. So let's think about how to cast our phone once we're in a Zoom meeting like this. So the first thing that you're going to do is come down to the share screen. This is just as usual when you're on a Zoom call and you want to share something. So let's click that. Let's make sure that we share our sound. And then we'll go ahead and click iPhone via AirPlay. Once you do that, then on your phone screen, you will actually see these options. So right now when I look at my phone, if I just pull down from the top, so I'm on an iPhone, which means I would swipe down from the top, and then I would see this symbol on my phone. So I'm going to tap that. And then right away, it will allow me to choose my laptop. So let's go ahead and do that. See, this is what my phone screen looks like right now. So everything that you see here is actually my phone screen. So anywhere I tap on my phone screen, you are going to see that tap showing up in your Zoom screen in real time. So let's tap out of it. So this is that screen that I was talking about. I pulled down, I swiped down from the top, and then I got this screen, and then I simply tapped that button. So let's get out of there. And now you can see my actual phone screen. This is my real live phone screen, and I'm moving through it. So you can see how handy this tool would be. You can show people different apps. You can show them how to use those apps. I often use this so that I can demonstrate how to use video editing softwares. For example, CapCut, which is just here, is one that I use a lot, and I like to help my students use that. So I can open that up and I can go through an entire tutorial here about how to do this. So look how useful this type of a tool can be. And then when we're done with that, we simply have to come up and tap the stop share in Zoom as if we would normally just stop sharing our screen. So let's do that. And now I'm back. So if you want to share your screen again later on in the meeting, you have to go through those same steps where you've got to press that little icon and then just tap into that. So it's really easy. And on Android, it's almost exactly the same thing. Again, you would come down to this share screen, and then you'll see some steps where you share the screen. It asks you, what do you want to share? So you want to share the screen, and then you just follow those prompts, and it's super simple. Now, this casting tool can be used whether you're using an iPhone or an Android. You just have to check the settings for that. Now, I have found this to be such an invaluable tool, especially for coaching calls. Sometimes you get on a coaching call and people are asking you specific technical questions, and it's really hard just to explain it to them without actually showing them. That's when you can just cast your phone, and with a couple of clicks, they can do a full walkthrough and get an idea of what it is that you're talking about in the first place. So if you like this video, I hope that you will give it a like, share it off with one of your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, because every single Tuesday, I bring you a new video teaching you how you can add video to your business. So until next time, take care.